Hi everyone! Today in this video I am going to show you how to butterfly a whole chicken. All you need is a good pair of scissors and a sharp knife and a whole chicken with skin on a steady cutting board. In first step, I am going to take out the wishbone of the chicken, which is her collarbone. This is a teeny tiny bone but holds up almost all the front meat of the chicken. Be careful guys, this is the time to show your surgical skill or butcher skills, otherwise you can take the professional help. But if I can do this, you can do it too. You just need to try it once. Now I'm cutting the wings tip, which is useless for now, but you can save it for making chicken stock later. Then cut open the breast and remove the tender bone from the center. We don't want to waste any meat, so take your time and do every step slowly. This is not a boneless whole chicken, so we will be removing or moving enough bones to make it flat. After removing the central bone, it's open now, but we want to make it even more flat. So turn it around and separate the thighs from backbone. And you will be hearing a cracking sound. Now the thighs are loosening up. Again turn it around. And now the wings are hiding under the breast meat, so I'm going to make a slit to the joint so it lies flat on the pan when we will be cooking, and repeat the process on the both sides for the wings. Clean and remove all the extra part in between as needed. Moving on to the rib cage, I'm cutting it into half. Now the upper part of the chicken is almost done. Just making a slit on the wings skin so they lie even more flat. Moving on to the thighs, separate the thighs from the backbone by just making a slit. And this chicken is pretty thick, so I'm trying to flat as much as I can. Don't forget to clean it in between with the paper towel as needed. Now make a slit to separate the drumstick from the thighs. And then make a slit on drumstick vertically to cut it open, and do it same with the thighs. Now you can clearly see the leg bone and the thigh bone. Repeat the process on the other side. Please be careful. Take your time to feel the bone inside and then make a slit. Now I am removing some more extra untidy looking parts and doing some more cleaning. Wings are still going back, so I'm making one more cut here. it is perfect flat, but there is this hip bone which might be a problem while cooking. So I am separating it from the thighs and break this bone with scissors. Now the chicken is flat, wings are facing outside, breasts are lying flat on its skin, ribs are wide open, thighs and legs are flat. This chicken is ready for a very good seasoning and cooking. If you guys want to know what seasoning I use for this chicken, click on the card showing above, or you can find the link in description. I tried my best to demonstrate how to make whole chicken into a perfect butterfly shape. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.